Hi guys, this is Shilpa Mittal and this video is for 9th class students. We are continuing our exercise 2.5. Here is question number 4, which is expand with using suitable identity. That means we have a polynomial, but we have to expand this polynomial by using any type of identity. So in first three questions, we have seen our 4 identities, identity first, second, third, fourth. Here we have to apply to expand this polynomial fifth identity. Fifth identity is x plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. If we compare this LHS part to our given polynomial, then we have to find the values of x, y and z respectively. So on comparing, we will get the values. X is equals to x, that means we have to replace the x with x. Y equals to 2y, that means we have to replace this y from 2y. And z equals to 4z, that means we have to replace this z from the identity with 4z. So on comparing, we get all these values of 3 variables x, y, z. Now put these values into the identity on the LHS side and also in the RHS side. So we get the expandation. So here is our identity. And in LHS part, we just put the values of x, y, z. That means x replaces with x, y replaces with 2y and z replaces with 4z. Whole square is as it is, equals to x replaces with x, that means x square, y square replaces with 2y, that means 2y square, z replaces with 4z, that means 4z whole square, plus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by y, hence 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 2y as y replaces with 2y. 2 multiplied by y multiplied by z, that means 2 multiplied by 2y multiplied by 4z as y replaces with 2y and z replaces with 4z. Plus as it is 2 multiplied by z multiplied by x, that means 2 multiplied by 4z multiplied by x as z replaces by 4z and x replaces with x. Now this is our equation and we have to solve this equation for finding the expandation of given polynomial. So x square will be as it is, 2y square will be 4y square as 2 square equals to 4 and y square equals to y square. So 2y square will be 4y square. 4z whole square will be 16z whole square as 4 square equals to 16 and z square equals to z square. Plus 2 2s are 4 and xy as it is. I repeat, 2 2s are 4 and xy as it is. Plus sign as it is. 2 2s are 4 and 4 4s are 16. I repeat, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16 and remaining y z are as it is. Plus sign again as it is. 4 2s are 8. I repeat, 4 2s are 8 and zx as it is. So this is our expandation form of the given polynomial. The remaining questions are same as this first question. But if you have any query to solve all that parts of question number 4, then you can comment me in the comment section or WhatsApp me on my personal number. So thank you so much.